Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to specifically talk about the one website on which you can sell your art and design, and it's kind of like another print on demand website as well, and you can sell your original art or design as well. So it depends whatever route you choose, but it's a secret website on which you can sell your art and designs. And it's not that used, like it's quite underrated. Not many people are there on that, and not many people are utilizing it, and it's not that popular in comparison to the other print on demand websites. So I'm going to talk about this website specifically in this video, that this is one secret website. Before going into that website, I would really appreciate that if you give it a big thumbs up, because I really love that if you do so. And now let's get started with the main part of the video guys. Okay, that one website is really amazing guys. I came across few months back only, but their website is artpal.com. Now many of you would be thinking, what is artpal.com? I never heard of that before. Well guys, I'm going to show you I'm going to talk about each and everything about this website. As that website is already in my phone, I'm going to read it everything about this website, how you're going to get paid, what exactly you can upload, and various details regarding it, so that it will be clear to you that you can open your own shop on this website and can sell your own art and design and can make more passive income online as being a print on demand seller. So let's get started with that. Okay guys, so the website is artpal.com, and it's written on the first page itself, buy art from 182,000 artists. This is really awesome. Then you can upload an artwork related to whatever art category you want to target. That's a paintings, prints, photography, drawing, illustration, digital art, sculptures, carvings, ceramic, pottery, glass, jewelry, textile and apparel, crafts, and other art. So you can, the main important thing that you don't need an approval to get started on making their shop on their platform. You don't need any approval. You can get started with the day one itself. You just need to sign up on their platform, that is the artpal.com. I'm going to link in the description box below for you to check it out for yourself, and then you can click on that platform. You can open up your shop on the day one itself. You don't need an approval. You just need to open up your enter your email address, your password, and then making your own account, and then you need to add your details, your name, and about you section, talking about yourself, being an artist or being a designer, and various things about it. Then also you're gonna get paid by the PayPal. Another important factor about the Artpal is that the Facebook auto post, the Twitter auto post. Yes guys, then they have the feature of auto posting your art, your design on your Facebook or on your Twitter auto post. For example, let me give you an example. If you are selling your own print on demand design and you have print on demand design related, you have a Facebook page related to that thing, or you have a Twitter, or you have an Instagram, then you can link your Facebook, your Instagram, and your Twitter to their platform, and then they're going to repost. That is the auto post. Then they're going to auto post your art, your design, or that you're selling onto the Artpal will automatically into your Facebook and Twitter. You just need to add your own profile to this platform and just click on the auto post option, and they will automatically going to repost your art, your design on this platform of yours, that is the Facebook and the Twitter. And join. There is Artpal is free, there are no membership fee, and there is no commission. For example, if you're selling your original art, that means you're gonna ship your art to the buyer, then obviously there is no commission, which is really insane guys, because if you actually go into the other art galleries like Saatchi Art or various different galleries out there, if you go actually on there and sell your art, sell your original art, then obviously you need to pay them a commission when you make a sale for your art. But on this platform, you don't need to pay them any single commission if you're selling your original art. With seller, then obviously they're gonna take the commission, because they're gonna just print your art on various products they have on their place, and then they're gonna ship it to the customer. So they're gonna take a commission for the print on demand. But if you are selling your original art, then there is no commission. Demand to sell your art, you set your own profits. So you can set your own profits for your print on demand selling, which is added to the base printing cost, and you receive 100% of these profits. If you are selling and shipping your own art, there is no commission, and Artpal sends 100% of the funds directly to you, which is naturally they're gonna take because they are printing it and they're gonna shipping it to your customers, so they're gonna take it. But apart from that, you control your profits. You can increase your profits and you're gonna get 100% of your profits. Everywhere you want to do, that means they are not exclusive. High quality image. The images must be high resolution, at least that is 1200 pixels. So you can go through that very well by yourself. You can set your own print on demand profits in the settings tab, and you're gonna get paid. You're gonna get paid by the PayPal, and they'll pay you by the PayPal. That is, if you're selling print on demand items, you're paid for those items on the 15th of every month after the 30-day return period has expired. So you're gonna pay 15th of every month PayPal, and anytime you can cancel that if you don't want to sell on that. So simple and so easy to upload your art on that, and upload your art on the various canvas prints and prints on these print on demand products they have on their platform, and you're gonna get paid by that. And think about this website is their referral program. Yes guys, it's also an awesome referral program that they have on their platform. Sellers and earn 5% cash on art they buy or sell for an entire year, which is for a buyer or a seller, you're gonna get a 5% commission for an entire year. And it's so simple guys. The referral program is also amazing, just like the Teepublic. If you know the Teepublic referral income, if you refer a seller and someone open and clicks on your link and actually open up their shop, and when they make a purchase, you're gonna get $1 for every sale they make. The same is in the case of the Artpal. You're gonna get 5% cash on art they buy or sell on their entire year. So how gonna work? Let me tell you guys, it's easy. Whenever you see the share button on the Artpal, simply use those buttons to share a page or art with other people. Wherever someone clicks on something you have shared, you earn 5% cash on all the art they buy or sell. Note that the referral program applies to the majority of the art on the Artpal except the print on demand art. The referral program does not apply to the original art or art the seller is selling or shipping, since Artpal charges no fees or commissions on those sales. So obviously if someone is actually selling their original art, then Artpal is not taking commission, so this referral program is not applicable for that. But it applies to the majority of the art on the PayPal, that is on all the print on demand art. So it applies on all the print on demand art. It doesn't apply onto the original art, because you have shared, you can see in the report section. And if someone clicks onto your link and open up a shop on the Artpal, and when they're gonna get sale for their art, you're gonna get the 5% cash for every sale they are making for the entire year. Check out this website right now. It's underrated. Not many people are using it. It's free to join. You don't need an approval to join it. And if you are an artist or selling your original art, then this is exactly for you, because you don't need to pay a single commission for selling your original art. And if you're not an artist, you are a print on demand seller, that's also fine. You're just gonna go onto this website, open your print on demand shop, and start uploading your art and design, and you can refer other people, other print on demand seller by this referral program as well. So you're gonna get money by two methods, guys. One is by selling your own art and design on various products. Another one is by the referral income. So leave a comment below and let me know, are you interested in joining on this website or not? Leave a comment below, let me know guys. And also guys, I'm not sponsored to talk about this website in this video. I'm just talking based on my own personal experience with the Artpal. Recently only I came across and I started my own shop as well. So based on my research only, I am talking about it. I'm not sponsored to talk about this website. So there is a link in the description box below. You can check it out. You can open up your own shop on this platform. I'll leave a comment below. Let me know, are you interested in making up your shop on this platform or not. And that's it for today's video, guys. See you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye, guys.